You're so cute. What's a cute puppy? Are you a cute puppy? She's like, pet me, Sailor. Pet me, I'm so cute. Oh. Can we take her with? She wants to come with us. She's not listening to me. Hi, baby. Like 2 more hours. So 3 more hours to go. It's only been an hour today. My butt already hurts. It's been a long week.
This sucks.
What?
Yeah.
It doesn't suck.
It does.
It's just painful, that's all. It just hurts. we did it. We're here in San Felipe. So excited to be here. We're so happy you're following along, and just make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Will the dog eat the tortilla if it has the grease from the food on it? Let's find out. So we're happy about it. Oh, look at him go.
Pork rind.
Oh,
Pork rind.
He's hungry.
he was not going for it earlier.
That was a pero pork rind right there.
Pero. He's like, oh, this is delicious. Is that delicious? It's gone. Hey, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Did you eat it?
Is that Larry Paca?
No, that's way bigger than Larry Baja.
I know, but that's Larry Paco de Baja.
He's not sleeping in my bed.